Hey there, thanks for joining me on this quick demo of TrueMath. I'm going to give you a quick orientation. We're in the conversation section of our direct to professional interface. This is also good for developers. So I'll show you at the end how API calls work and what comes back. There's also this builder environment. By its name, you should imply that you can build your own. We give you some starter domains to start with, like this residential mortgage broker domain, but you can create new domains and new activities within existing domains to expand and customize exactly how you need this to be. Let me walk you through exactly how this works. I've got a prompt set up for a refi to see what the interest savings are over a 7-year hold period. And you send it in. The first thing that happens is TrueMath parses that natural language prompt into a set of known named variables and assigns the discovered value to each of those named variables. That structured prompt then goes into the TrueMath engine, which starts with that calculate goal at the bottom, the net interest savings, and back propagates to create a calculation pathway through a set of activities. I'll show you the activities when we go into the builder. But you saw how fast that was on a natural language prompt. You can also send in that same prompt in a structured format, and it comes back much quicker. That's real time from our AWS servers. You can also, let me go back to this one, you could also extend this by saying, show me the refi graph, and it will now give you a visual display of the cumulative savings over time and where that break-even point is for this particular calculation. And the mouse over does give you the total aggregate savings at any given month. So that's how the conversation mode works. From here, you can also share. I've actually already shared this same set of prompts and renamed it, so you can rename and notate these prompts so you can find them easier. This one I renamed as Refinance Calculations for Mark and Sally Evans. You share it, you get a link you can share with anyone who has a link, or you can also share with specific people by email. I'm going to copy that, and I'll show you what that share looks like right here. So from here, you can copy and print the shared item, and if there's any graphics like tables or graphs, you can download them because the copy will sometimes mangle that. You can also present your own logo up here, so your own branding, and designate a destination URL for a click on that logo. In this case, we use TrueMath for that. All right, so that's the conversations, including share. This same domain, which is called residential mortgage broker, can be viewed in its builder mode. So here's the set of activities that makes up this residential mortgage broker domain. Here's that monthly principal and interest payment that popped on the as one of the first activities in the solution. And these activities are defined with a equation which references named variables. The named variables are independent items within the platform, so they'll show up automatically as you type them in. They have their own display name and natural language description that gets used in the parsing step. You can set your own defaults and default units for each variable. And you can also set the display defaults. What kind of number, or is this a table or a bar chart or a pie chart? You can also determine the display decimals that you're showing, but we'll always store the floating point precision for every calculated number and maintain that so you never get drift. All right, so again, you can customize the domains or create new domains as you wish. We're even coming out with an AI assistant that's trained up on TrueMath domains. So you can just give it some prompts and it will build the domain for you in collaboration with you. So that's the easiest way to get one of these domains customized or built up from scratch. Um, let's see. That's the last thing I wanted to show you is how this works from a developer standpoint. So when in your account, you get an API key that you can create for each project. That API key then can be embedded in code, and then you can send us a natural language or structured prompt, and we'll send you back the entire payload in a JSON packet like this. So this is the JSON packet. It gives you the final answer. It gives you every intermediate answer along the way, and notates everything so you see exactly what's happening. You can also sort and search these conversations. So if you remember that you did this for the Evans and you named it the Evans, you can find that calculation really quick and continue working on it or share it to them. So that's TrueMath. Hope you're inspired by it. We'd love to have you come on board. There's always a free level that gives you 100 calculations per month. And we'd love to have you try it out. Please navigate to app.truemath.ai/signup to get going. See you soon.